Yeah. Site office, that is done. Training meeting is done. Had approved. Facility, right. Training is being.
Yeah, but Chairman, just I have a concern, not a concern, just a doubt. For the point number 5, just which we discussed now, whether the security patrolling is applicable there, because it is really asking about the welfare facilities.
Okay, welfare. Okay, no problem.
Yeah, actually, it was welfare. Point number 5.
We'll update, yeah. Training being put as per the right HSC. So you are saying welfare, right? Welfare.
It is actually, it is the question. It seems it's to be asking about the welfare, not about the security.
I remove the security. I say regular patrol.
Yeah, yeah.
That's correct. Okay. So guys, for this case, I mean, we do not have any problem. That is complete. And I think this is related. So we'll